biggest mistake that newbies make. If y'all new and on YouTube and you trying to make money on YouTube, I'm gonna show you the biggest mistake that most newbies make. They don't know they making it because they newbies.
I'm on designer waves. I got designer taste. I'm on designer waves. I got designer taste. We don't got time to play. You need to find your way.
You putting out these videos. So this is your YouTube video right here. I'm finna draw it. Now this is your YouTube video because this is the play button right here. That's your YouTube video. And then right down here is your description. All right. So then you telling people to go, if you're an affiliate marketer, you sending them over to Amazon or this place or that place. This is the home about. Or you send them to your own website. This is your own website, but it's like this. Your own website or whatever website you send them. It might be a picture right here maybe. And then it'll be some words. It could be Amazon website, your website, anybody's website. You just send them. So you telling people to click in your description. Click the link in your description. So you telling people from your YouTube video, if you affiliate marketer or if you do anything with affiliate marketing, you Amazon, most people know Amazon, so I'm gonna stick with Amazon. Or ClickBank. What most people know Amazon and ClickBank, so I'm gonna stick with those two. And you saying click the link in my description and go over here. So they go here. And this is either your website, because most people have their own website because you done stepped it up a notch and you done got your own domain. So are you sending the Amazon site or whoever site? Problem is when people coming like this, they coming, they see what you got on your site, and then they do this, and they leave, and they go on. This is the people. This is the people, y'all. And then they go on about their merry little way, and you don't never hear from them again. So you don't know if they ever went to your site or not, because you just basically doing your YouTube videos and telling people to click on your link in the description, and then you sending people to an open site. And then if they don't buy at that particular moment, they go on about their merry little way. You don't know where they went, how it happened, what they did. You don't know nothing about that. Because guess what? This is a newbie's. These are newbie moves right here. These are amateur moves. These are very new. I just got online. This is all I know how to do. I'm going to send them to, now the newbies sending them straight to Amazon or ClickBank product. And then they not so new, but they still new to, so they don't end up getting a domain name. So they say, y'all go to my website. And this is their domain right here. So mydomain.com, y'all go to my website, but it's still open like this. So this your home, this your about, you know how they have the home, about, the contact us section, the consultation, the photography. This is all of that across the top. And guess what? It's still open. So now you don't have no tracking. You don't have no way to find out. All you got is your Google Analytics. That's all you got. So your analytics may say 100 people a day came to my site. Who came to my site? I don't know. 100 people came from where? I don't know. They might tell you the country they came from or something like that, but you don't know nothing else. See, everything starts with tracking. If you learn how to track every single thing, then that's when you'll make some money. So let me show you how it's supposed to look. This is almost it. It's almost it. YouTube to the product. But we're going to do this. Start with the YouTube video right here. This is the YouTube video, right? And this is me. So my YouTube video, it'll go something like this. Boom. I'm still doing the same thing. I'm still making a YouTube video, and I'm still having my links in the description. The only difference is when I send people out, y'all listening, y'all paying attention. When I send people out, and if anybody know me, y'all already know, because y'all have all y'all on my list, or half of y'all on my list anyway. I send them to a one-page site. Boom, just like this. name, email, and phone, or just name and email. Just a one pager. Boom. They can't do nothing else. Either opt in, OPT in, y'all, I can't draw real good, but then I can't type, or they leave. But now, guess what happens when that happens? After they decide to opt in, I turn around and I can still send them to that 1, 2, all these tabs across the top. Y'all be loving to have all this WordPress stuff. Y'all love all the tabs across the top and all that little writing and stuff, telling about me, contact us. It still goes there. But right now, I just did what? I captured a lead. So what happens when I capture a lead? Hold on, y'all, let me write lead because you know I'm really writing and drawing and stuff. So I done captured the lead of a person that expressed interest from my YouTube video. It all started with the same YouTube video, except for, and I didn't just turn around and lead them straight here to the Amazon product or the ClickBank product or my website. I led them here first, which is my capture page, my lead page, my squeeze page, whatever you want to call it, whatever floats your boat. It's all the same. You want to capture a lead of the people that's coming. So now what happens? If 100 people visit, you know, because that's all your analytics going to give you, 100 people came, guess what? And 50 people signed in and they came to this page right here. After that, you got a 50% conversion rate. So that means out of every 100 people that came here, 50 people decide to keep going. Now, what just happened with that situation, y'all? Because I'm really teaching. Y'all better pay attention. It's your lead now. You didn't just pass it on. And now what happens? You get a chance to, now these is my little emails, y'all. So pay attention to when I draw my email. This is the envelope. Boom, boom, boom. I'm drawing my envelopes because these represents emails. Okay, what happens? I can email those 50 people. You know what I'm saying? Day one, send them an email. Day two, now I don't send emails out. Anybody on my list know I don't send out email every single day, but I have a opportunity now because guess what? Now those other 50 people, I don't have an opportunity to build a relationship with those people. I don't have an opportunity to build a relationship with these people because they left. But the 50 people that stayed and they actually came on and came to my page, they may still didn't buy. Nobody's asking them to buy. I mean, they have an opportunity, but guess what? Even if they don't, now I can email and start sending them to other YouTube videos. I can email and send them to blog posts. Now I ain't finna draw all this blog. This is a blog post. This blog post. This is YouTube. This is another YouTube video. And then I can email, I can send out other ClickBank offers. I can send out other Amazon products. I can do a review. I can do a review on the Amazon product, a tripod or a nightstand or whatever I want to do. I can do a review and turn around and send an email and then send them people to another product. You see what I'm saying? Now you're starting to build your authority because you're sending them everywhere. You're sending them from your email. You can send them to your blog post. That's why you got to have a blog. Well, you ain't got to, but it's best to have a blog. If you're getting value from this training, click like, subscribe, and leave a comment below and let me know what you learned. Let's continue. So you can send them to your blog post. That's why it's good to still have a blog. Google is the #1 search platform on the internet. And Google owns YouTube, and YouTube is the #2 search platform. We say search platform. We didn't say social media. We said search. It's search based. So when people are searching for something and you know what they're searching for, and that's a whole different ball game, and then you get in front of them, those people don't watch your video. The people that were searching, they saw your video. They came to this page. They didn't flip over and go to that one. They came to this one. You collected 50 leads out of 100. And then it could be 70, it could be 80, it could be 40. You don't know your conversion rates until you start operating like this. Once you start operating like this, then you could find out your conversion rates. Now, if you got a 20% conversion rate, If you got a 20% conversion rate, what does that mean? That means you need to work on this page right here, the one that just the lead page. If you only got a 20% conversion rate, you need to work on this page right here. If you ain't getting no conversions, if nobody ain't coming to this page, you need to start back and work on your videos, and you start working on this. This is how you track and figure out, what do I need to work on? Because every step tells you, if you put it in a certain way, these are called funnels. If you put it in a certain way, it'll show you what needs to be worked on. Okay, my video, people clicked on my link and they went to my page, but nobody signed in. What do I need to work on? I need to work on my page to get people to sign in. See what I'm saying? And then, okay, they didn't buy nothing. What do I need to work on now? I need to work on trying to get them back with my emails. I need to get them back to my offer, whatever my offer may be. I got to build relationships with them and send out hair tips. I got to send out fitness tips or whatever it is you're doing. I got to send out some tips to build a relationship with these people so that I can get them back to understand why they need to buy my product, whatever it is. My combs and brushes, my fitness equipment, my whatever it is you have to sell. And if I don't have nothing to sell, I need to get them over here to this Amazon product or to this ClickBank offer, or the ClickBank offer down here, y'all. So that's how you start building your funnel, and you start tracking. And after you build your funnel, you start running traffic to that. You're still doing your YouTube videos. So now you're cranking out more videos a week, because the more videos you have, the more traffic you get to send to your opt-in page right here. But do y'all understand that part? Does that make sense? Now, everything is about tracking, and you want to make sure that when you start your business, you have to start with tracking. You have to know how to track, and so you can see where you're going wrong, so you can fix the parts that's wrong. Every part ain't wrong. Don't make it so complicated to where you don't do nothing. Pick one and move on. And then it ain't got to be the prettiest. The prettiest stuff don't make the most money. All it needs to be is something that works. I don't never try to make the prettiest, because I had the prettiest, all this stuff going on back in the days in the early 2000s. That stuff don't work. All these tabs across the top and all of this stuff that they got going on, and all of this, your picture, your photo album, and your picture book, and your about me, telling all, that's good to have. I ain't saying nothing wrong with it, because I got that on my blog. But that's for a certain purpose. You need to know the purpose of everything you got and why is it there. See, like my little stuff is on the right hand side, and this is where your Google ads and all this stuff, your Google, you can still have Google ads on your website. So when you get connected with Google, you can have Google ads in your YouTube videos and on your website. You don't have to just do one thing. You just have to learn how to do it. So now you got all this stuff going, but when you send them here, you're not really sending them here you're doing this for another purpose. You got to know the purpose of everything you're doing it for. On your home, you got a front door. You got a doorbell, or people gonna knock. Guess what? That's how your website should be. Somebody gonna have to knock or ring the doorbell before they enter your home, which is your home is your website. Your .com, your blog, that's your home. Your squeeze page is your front door to your home. So when people come to your home, you just gonna let them walk all around your home and just be moseying all around, just willy-nilly all around, and you don't even know who they are? No. What if I got to call the police? So you gonna make them sign in, knock on the door, ring the doorbell, so you can know who you letting in. Now, after you let them in, and you know, okay, this, I got a 70% conversion rate out of every 100 people that come. 70 people, that's a good conversion rate. Now, it just depends on what niche you in, what you got going, and how you structure everything. Sometimes people get 20%. Some in my niche, they getting 20%, 30%. And then a high conversion rate is like 40 and 50. If you're getting 60 and 70%, you over the top. So, and then as you doing it, everybody is testing. You need a 1-page or 2-page site. You keep your blog and everything. That's why you need your tools is what makes your business work. It's not your WordPress site. We all got that. But your WordPress site is like your home. This is my foundation. This is my home. This is where everything is about me. But you need something to lead them to your home, and so you can know and do your tracking. Every single thing, you got to be tracking everything. When I say track everything, I'm talking about tracking everything. I just had to create 5 new tracking systems today just because I didn't have every single thing tracked. So tracking is everything into making a business grow.
Are you ready to set your business up correctly? Register with the link below to attend the next workshop, and we'll go through setting your business up so you can start generating leads for your business while you sleep. This is online automation.